Hi beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. And in case you're just coming across of this beautiful face for the very first time, I'm your girl Nikki Good. So do want to subscribe to this channel for amazing videos and beautiful contents. Thank you so much. I love you. So many of you want to create videos but you feel stuck because your background isn't perfect. Maybe you feel like your background is not nice or is not looking beautiful enough for that video or content. Or you just want to spice up your video to make it more attractive and beautiful. So don't worry yourself because I got you covered. Yes. Because today I'm going to be showing you how to transform your space, like changing your background without leaving your location at all, as without looking for beautiful location outside, without going out in that your room. I'm going to be showing you how to change the space, how to change your background to a beautiful one. Yes, using two tools, just CapCut and Pinterest. We are good to go. So guys, let's get right into the video. Yeah.
So in order to transform your video, you need two applications, Pinterest and CapCut. Okay, you can also use other editing app, but the one I use is CapCut. Make sure you have these two applications on your phone or any editing application you are used to. And if you don't have any, just go to your Play Store, download Pinterest. This is Pinterest app. This is what Pinterest looks like. This red application with P logo. This is Pinterest. And also you download CapCut. Make sure you have CapCut on your phone. Sign up on the both app. So after that, the next thing you are going to be doing is to go to Pinterest. That is after downloading the applications on your phone. Go to Pinterest and sign up. You know me, I've been using the application before, so I've signed up before. So now, when you get there, after signing up, go to search. Search on background. You can type anything. Just type beautiful background, natural background. You can type studio background. Just type it to suit what you are doing, to suit what you are looking for. So let me just click on beautiful background or background. So these are the background it's brought to me. It will bring you different background, like different type of background. Can you see? Can you see? So you keep searching for the background until you see the one that suits what you want to do, or the one that you love, the one that you like. Can you see different kinds of background, different types? Can you see? So let me look for anyone. Let's just choose any background to work with. Let's just choose any background. Let's go for okay. Let's go for this. You can see. So you see these three dots here. Click on the three dots. Download image. Fine. Our image is downloaded already. That's the background we want to work with. So now you go back to your CapCut now. I'm searching for CapCut. Click on new project. Then the next thing you are going to be doing is look for that image you just downloaded from Pinterest. That's the background we want to use. So this is the background. Then you click on add. Can you see now? So after bringing the image to CapCut, the next thing is to click on the image. Then look for video effects. Adjust. No, sorry. Look for video effects. This is effect. Click on effects, then click video effects. So type blur. If you want to make the background to look more realistic, so just type blur background. So these are the different type of effects you can use to blur your background. So let's choose this one. I think it's too blur, so just click on adjust and adjust it to what you like. So I think it's looking okay like this. It's very okay like this. Then you click on the mark icon to save it, because you must save whatever you do. That is it. So after blurring your background, the next thing is to look for overlay to bring in the video you want to work with. Remember, you must have edited your video and saved on your gallery. But if you can still bring the raw video here to edit it, still fine. But I think the easiest way for a beginner is to first of all edit your video save it on your phone gallery first before changing the background. So now look for overlay, add. See, so look for the video. So I'm going to be choosing this video.
Hi, beautiful people.
So can you see the video? But I want to bring out the volume. That's the same video I worked with. So now you can see. So after bringing in the video, let's fit in the video to the background. Can you see now? Just adjust to whatever suits you. Can you see? So the next thing now is to remove the background. So look for remove background. Remove background. Auto remover. Can you see that the background has been removed? Can you see? Can you see? Mark it to save. Can you see? You can still adjust it. You can adjust to whatever you want, how you want it. See? You can see that the background has changed from the previous one. So now click on the background to drag it to the end of the video. It's too much. Delete this CapCut logo. You can see, so adjust. You still adjust it. So can you see? So adjust it. Let it start from where the image starts. So drag it and let it start from the same place. So look at it now. Can you see that the background is no longer showing the previous one? Look at the background now, looking so beautiful. It's very, very simple. This is the easiest way to do it. I know there are other methods, but this is the method I use to do mine, and I so much love this. It gives me the perfect thing I want. Can you see? So the next thing now is for you to export your video. Save to your gallery. So that is it.
Thanks so much for watching, and I appreciate you for being here and also for staying to the end of this video. So if you learned something new today, don't forget to show some love by subscribing and following me for more beautiful tips and content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching.